Good morning, everybody. Rich Kogelshots on the job in a basement. But I really shouldn't be calling them basements anymore. They're really lower levels because in the olden days when I grew up, basement was filled with cobwebs and I don't know, maybe Christmas ornaments or I don't know, it's just a place that you didn't really go. But nowadays, the lower level is just as much a part of the house as the main floor in many cases because we finish them, we put bars in them, we do lots of things, exercise rooms, we go hang out, we watch big screen TVs down there. So calling it a basement really diminishes what it really is. It's oftentimes a lower level and an active part of the house, but that's not why I'm here. Maybe that's another conversation for another day. What I'm doing down here is I'm in the mechanical room, and you see behind me this white box, right? And then you see all this flex duct work, around it and stuff like that. I just want to talk about what's super cool. That's an Energy Recovery Ventilator, ERV, Energy Recovery Ventilator. And what's cool about that, it brings fresh air into our houses, right? And you can set the percentage of how often you want fresh air to be brought into your house. I happen to have this one set at 50% of the time. So 50% of the time I got fresh air, which is 50%, a half hour of every hour, I have a fresh supply of air coming into this house, okay? In addition to that, whenever you're bringing in fresh air, you're exhausting stale air. So in the wintertime, you're exhausting stale air and bringing in fresh air. And it's an energy recovery ventilator because it actually takes the heat out of the warm air and transfers it to the cold air as it's coming in the wintertime and stuff. Reverse process in the summertime, but nevertheless, that's an energy recovery ventilator. We put them in every one of our homes. That's what we do at Heartland Builders. Not a lot of builders do. Every home built in the state of Michigan has to have mechanical ventilation brought in, have mechanical ventilation bringing in fresh air into a home. Most builders use a bath fan. The bath fan turns on, it doesn't turn off. It's not supposed to be turning off. It's continuous. It's supposed to be continuous. But that's that's a $100 solution, and that's an unfiltered, poor solution way to handle that. We spend $2,000 on every one of our houses bringing in fresh air using an energy recovery ventilator. It just brings in more air. It brings in fresher air. It brings in filtered air. You recover, the energy, the money that you spend on gas. You recover that money. So the cold air in the wintertime, when it hits the furnace, the heat has already been transferred to it. So that's the energy recovery piece of that. So anyway, I just want to talk about this energy recovery. I'm going to walk over here. And by the way, this camera is always weird that follows me. I don't really always know what it looks like. But when I open this up, check this out. Inside this, you'll see this little core right here. So you see this filter over here, this big filter and all that kind of stuff. That's what makes this work. You see this motor going on right here. And then over to the side, as we look at this, you'll see that outside air intake, room air to be exhausted. Looks like I got to clean this filter, so I got some work to do here. But anyway, I just wanted to talk about this energy recovery ventilator and just how awesome it is. We put these in every one of our homes because we want our clients and our customers to have the best air quality that they can have in their homes. You can hear it actually kicking on now, so it's time for that. So anyway, on the job, in a basement somewhere, middle of America. Thanks, guys. Have a great day.